Hello, Duke. Good evening. How are you
Yes,
today?
I'm so happy.
You're so happy. Why? Why are you
Today
happy?
I'm today I'm is is uh can is the
Today you are?
I don't know. I don't know.
Did you go to school today?
Yes, it's just
Are you happy because you went to school? Honey?
mm,
Okay. I'm going to translate it. I'm going to translate it.
yes,
Uh,
yes.
you happy
Mm, mm.
because you went to school? Okay, here. That one.
Yes,
Okay, that is great to hear, honey. Anyway, honey, have you eaten dinner already? Look.
yes,
Mm.
yes.
Okay, that is great to hear. What did you eat for dinner?
I eat noodles.
Very good. You say, I ate noodles for dinner. Can you say that?
I eat noodles and
For
chicken for dinner.
very good, honey. Great job. Thank you for saying that one. Now, honey, are you ready for our class? Are you ready? Okay,
Yes.
ready. Okay, teacher is now going to share the screen and we're going to continue with our discussion we had last time. Okay, can you see teacher screen?
Yes.
Okay, let's have a review. Sir. Okay, what is the first picture, honey? What is picture one? What is this? This one is
Living room.
very good. What do we see inside the living room, honey? What things
I
do we
see
see?
I see a sofa,
Mm-hmm.
armchair,
Mm-hmm.
mm, is photos,
Mm-hmm. What else?
cupboard, and many books.
Very good. Okay, how about picture number two? What is picture number two, honey? What is this?
It's
This
the
is the,
bedroom.
what do you
It's in the
see
bedroom.
inside? Yeah, what do you see inside
I
there?
I see a
Mm-hmm.
cupboard, bed, mm, drum,
Mm-hmm. Okay,
table, and lamp, window.
very good. Okay, now let's have the third picture. Picture number three. What do you see inside? Oh, no. What is picture three? What is picture three? Look,
Kitchen.
kitchen. What do you see inside a kitchen?
I see a chair,
Mm-hmm.
table.
Mm-hmm.
What is this? What is this?
What?
What what is this?
Oven? Maybe an oven, honey? Yeah, okay.
Oven.
Anyway, honey, yes. Anyway, that one is a kitchen. How about picture four? What is picture four again? Do you remember?
Bathroom.
Very good. And what do we do inside the bathroom? What do we do
I can
inside there?
see a bath, a
Mm-hmm.
mirror.
Mm-hmm.
Is here? Is here?
Which one? Okay. A bathtub, a sink, a mirror, and a shower curtain. That is it, honey. Anyway,
Of sink.
Duke.
Shower.
Oh, yeah, shower. Shower curtain.
Shower. Shower curtain.
Yes, that one, honey, is a shower curtain. Honey, what do you do inside the bathroom? What do we do inside the bathroom?
I wash my shelf,
Very
brush
good.
my hair, and brush my teeth.
Yes, you remember the structure last time, honey. You wash yourself there. Okay, that is it. Anyway, honey, we're done with that one. I am so glad that you remembered everything. Let's continue.
Is your father in the living room?
Yeah. Okay. Let's have the structure, honey. Let's listen to the structure again, okay? Let's have a review. Okay? Duke, ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's have this.
Yes.
Is your grandmother in the living room?
Can you say that? Is your
Is your
grandmother
in the living room? Yes. Yes, she is.
Yes, she
Is
is.
your father in the Is your father in the bathroom? No, he isn't.
Is your father in the bathroom? No, he isn't.
Wow, Duke, you
Yes, he
remember
is.
the structure last time? You remembered everything? Wow. That is so great, honey. Anyway, let's move forward to the next one, honey.
Is your grandmother in the living room? Is your father in the bathroom?
Okay. So this is the structure again, honey. Can you read the structure, please?
Is your grandmother in the living room? Yes, she is. Is your father in the bathroom? No, he isn't. To ask an answer about where a family member is in the house.
Okay, very good, honey. Okay, all right. Oh, is it your brother?
Yes.
Okay, wow. It's your little brother, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, honey, let's have the next page. Okay. We're done with this one. Okay, now let's have this one, honey. Is your... Oh, what is this? Let's have this. Okay, let's have this one, honey. Please read.
Is your brother in the bathroom? Yes, he is.
Okay, very good. Yes, he is. Okay. Please read.
Is your grandfather in the kitchen? No, he isn't.
Very good. Next.
Is your grandmother in the bedroom? No, she isn't.
Okay, let's see. No, she... Please read.
Is your father in the kitchen? Yes, he is.
Yeah?
Hey. Yes, he is.
Very good. Hold on, honey. Wait for a while. Yes, he is. Okay. All right, let's have this one, honey. You have to ask the question. What is the question?
Is your mother in the living room? Yes, she is.
Wow, very good. Okay, next one.
Is your uncle in the bathroom? No, he isn't.
Very good. Very good, Duke. Okay, next one.
Is your sister in the bedroom? No, she isn't.
Very good. No, she isn't. Next one.
Is your aunt in the kitchen? Yeah, she is.
Very good. Yes, she is. Okay. So here are the vocabularies that you have learned for today, honey. What are the vocabularies that you've learned for, yesterday and today?
For today's lesson, the vocabulary I learned about are living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom.
Very good. And how about for the structure, Duk? How about the structure?
For today's lesson, the structures I learned about are: is your grandmother in the living room? Yes, she is. Is your father in the bathroom? No, he isn't.
Okay. So, honey, let's have spelling in the whiteboard.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, honey, spell the word kitchen. Kitchen. Spell the word kitchen.
Here.
Okay, next one. Bathroom. Very good. That one is the bathroom. How about the bedroom? Bedroom. Very good. Okay, how about the living room? Living room. Very good, honey. How about bathroom, kitchen, living room? Okay, that is it, honey. Okay. Anyway, my dear, we are now going to have the next lesson. We are now going to have the new lesson for tonight, honey. This is unit number 3, lesson number 2. Okay, Duk, you ready for this, honey?
Yes.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Very good. Okay, let's go, honey. Anyway, honey, what is the title of this unit? This is my
home.
Very good. My home. Okay, so by the end of this lesson, Duk, you will be able to ask and answer about things in the house. The things in the house, honey, okay? But before that, let's have a review. This one is just very easy. 5.
This is a bathroom.
Very good. Huh? Why is it always 6? It's always 6. 1. 1, honey.
This is a living room.
Very good. 2.
This is a bedroom.
Okay, anyway, let's just skip that one, honey. Let's have this. You have to ask the question first, honey. Question.
Is your brother in the bathroom? Yes, it is. Yes, he is.
Very good. Next one.
Is your grandfather in the kitchen? No, he isn't.
Very good. Next one.
Is your grandmother in the living room? Yes, she is.
Very good.
Is your father in the bedroom? No, he isn't.
Very good. No, he isn't. Okay, now it's time to learn, honey. Let's have these following things that we can see inside the house. Okay, what do you think is the first picture, honey? What is that?
It's a TV.
Very good. That one is a TV or a television. Do you have a television, Duke? Do you have TV?
Yeah. Yes,
Yes, I do.
I watch a television.
Wow. You always watch a television, Duke? Do you always watch a
Yes.
television? Yes.
I watch a morning and a and a and a and a and
At night?
no
Afternoon?
no
Evening?
yes
Yes.
evening.
What do you watch? What do you watch? What do you often watch, Duke?
I watch a Cartoon Network.
Oh, catch Cartoon Network. Yeah. Oh, I like Cartoon Network, honey. We also have Cartoon Network in my television.
And
Yeah.
I watch a Peppa Pig.
Wow, you know what, honey? Watching Peppa Pig will improve your English.
Yes, I watch the Peppa Pig.
You like it?
Yes.
I have something to say. Will
Yes.
you more in speaking English?
Xem phim hoạt hình Peppa Pig sẽ giúp bạn nói tiếng Anh tốt hơn.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, anyway, honey, let's have the second one. We have
a bed.
A bed.
Very good. Honey, do you have a small bed or a big bed? Me, I have a small bed.
My house is a big bed.
Oh, honey. Okay. Okay. In my house.
My house is a big bed.
Yeah, my bed is big.
My bed is big.
Okay, read this whole sentence, honey. You read this.
In my house, my bed is big.
Very good. That is it. What's the color of your bed?
My bed is color black. Is a picture Doraemon.
Oh, Doraemon? Really?
Yes.
Can I see it? Can I see it?
Yes. Yes, I see.
Me. How about teacher? Can I see it?
Yes.
Can I see it?
Tôi có thể xem nó được không?
I don't see no.
No, because you're using a computer, right? You're using a computer. So you can show it to me. Okay.
No.
Anyway, honey, my bed is Hello Kitty. Do you know Hello Kitty?
No.
Me. My bed. My
bed for you is Hello Kitty.
Teacher.
My teacher is Hello Kitty.
Yes.
A table.
Giường của tôi là Hello Kitty.
Yeah. Okay. Let's have the third one, honey.
A table.
A table.
Very good. Do you have a table in your room, honey?
Yeah. The table in my house. The table is in the Living
Kitchen?
room.
A living room. How about inside your house, inside your room? Do you have a table in your room?
I have two table. One table is yellow. One table is brown.
That is great to hear, honey. A yellow and a brown table. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, honey, let's have the next one. We have
An
An
armchair.
armchair.
very good, an armchair. Do you have an armchair, Duke?
In my house, I don't have armchair, but I have I have got a sofa.
Oh, you've got a sofa in your house, and where do you put it?
My sofa is in the living room.
Oh, okay, that is it, honey. Me, I don't have an armchair too, but I have a mini sofa. Yeah, I have a mini sofa, honey. Okay, anyway, let's move forward to the next one. Okay, so here are the new words. Let's have the first one.
A TV.
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 A TV.
A bed.
A bed.
A
bed.
table.
A table. And
An
armchair.
armchair.
An armchair.
Very
An
good.
armchair.
Very good. An armchair. Great job, honey. TV, a bed, a table, and an armchair. What's this?
It's a bed.
Very good. What's this?
It's a table.
What's this?
It's an armchair.
Very good. Oh, it's your brother. What's this?
It's the television.
Very good. What's this?
It's a bed.
Okay, honey, you have to complete the words. Right? And then complete the words. Right? And then complete the words.
It's here.
Very achieve. Oh, yeah. Next.
It's here.
Very good. Okay, a bed. Next. Very good. Next.
An armchair. No. Yeah.
I can't see it, Tony. Press enter. Yes. Press enter. Yeah. Yeah, you write it that way, honey. That way is better. Okay, let's have this one, honey. You have to write color. You have to write and color, honey. Write the word and color the picture.
Viết từ và tô màu bức tranh.
What's that kind of color? It's very, very red. Okay. What the table? Oh, the table is black. Okay, please read number 1, honey. Kindly read number
The
1.
bed is red. The table is black.
Very good. Next one. Wow. This is how you're supposed to color it, honey. Like that. Okay, let's have 3 and 4.
No. Yes. It's me. Get down.
Wow. Great. Okay, please read number 3, honey. Read number 3.
The armchair is pink. The television is orange.
Great. Okay. Okay, let's have the structure, honey. I believe we just have seconds left, but let's listen to the structure.
What's in the kitchen? What's in the kitchen? What's in the kitchen?
What is a kitchen?
A table
What is
and
a kitchen?
an armchair.
Okay. Anyway, we don't have enough time anymore. So teacher Shane has to go to the next class now. You did well today, Duke, and we're going to meet again on next week on Tuesday, okay? Thank you so much, Duke. You did so
Yes.
well. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.